Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back to mathematics class. Students, in the previous video, we solved exercise 2.3. Today, we are going to solve exercise 2.4. So, let us solve it. Exercise 2.4. Question number 1. Find. Students, in this question, we have to divide a whole number by a fraction. Students, in order to divide whole number by a fraction, we have to multiply whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction. And we know that the reciprocal or the multiplicative inverse of a fraction is a new fraction in which the places of the numerator and the denominator are interchanged. So, let us solve question number 1 and multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction. Sum number 1. 12 divided by 3 upon 4. Multiplying whole number 12 by the reciprocal of 3 upon 4, which is 4 upon 3, we get 12 into 4 upon 3. Now, multiplying whole number 12 by the numerator 4 and keeping the denominator 3 same, we get 48 upon 3. Now, dividing numerator 48 by the denominator 3, we get 16. Thus, 12 divided by 3 upon 4 is 16. Now, let us solve sum number 3. 8 divided by 7 upon 3. Multiplying 8 by the reciprocal of 7 upon 3, we get 8 into 3 upon 7. Now, multiplying whole number 8 by the numerator 3 and keeping denominator 7 as it is, we get 24 upon 7. Now, converting 24 upon 7 into mixed fraction, we get 3 integer 3 upon 7. Therefore, 8 divided by 7 upon 3 is equal to 24 upon 7 or 3 integer 3 upon 7. Now, let us solve sum number 5. 3 divided by 2 integer 1 upon 3. First, converting mixed fraction 2 integer 1 upon 3 into improper fraction, we get 3 divided by 7 upon 3. Now, multiplying whole number 3 by the reciprocal of 7 upon 3, we get 3 into 3 upon 7. Now, multiplying 3 by 3 and keeping the denominator 7, same. We get 9 upon 7. Now, converting 9 upon 7 into mixed fraction, we get one integer 2 upon 7. So, 3 divided by 2 integer 1 upon 3 is equal to 1 integer 2 upon 7. Now, question number 2. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocals as proper fractions, improper fractions, and whole numbers. Students, in this question, we have to find the reciprocal of the given fraction. And we know that in order to find the reciprocal of the fraction, we have to interchange the numerator and the denominator. Students, also we have to classify the reciprocals as proper, improper, or the whole number. So, let us solve question number 2 and find the reciprocal of the given fractions and classify it into improper fraction, proper fraction, and whole number. Sum number 1, 3 upon 7. The reciprocal of 3 upon 7 is 7 upon 3, where 7 upon 3 is improper fraction. Now, let us solve sum number 3, 9 upon 7. The reciprocal of 9 upon 7 is 7 upon 9, where 7 upon 9 is proper fraction. Now, let us solve sum number 6, 1 upon 8. The reciprocal of 1 upon 8 is 8 upon 1, which is equal to 8, as 8 divided by 1 is equal to 8, and 8 is a whole number. Students, solve remaining sums by yourself. Now, let us solve question number 3. Find. Students, in this question, we have to divide a fraction by a whole number. Students, in order to divide the fraction by the whole number, first of all, we have to convert a whole number into fraction. Then we have to multiply the first fraction, that is dividend, by the reciprocal of the second fraction, that is divisor. Students, so you have to remember that you have to find the reciprocal of only the divisor and not the dividend. Also, you have to remember that you have to first convert the whole number, that is divisor, into fraction. So, let us solve question number 3. Sum number 1, 7 upon 3 divide by 2. First, converting whole number 2 into fraction, we get 7 upon 3 divide by 2 upon 1. Now, multiplying dividend 7 upon 3 by the reciprocal of divisor 2 upon 1, we get 7 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 2. Now, multiplying numerator 7 with numerator 1 and denominator 3 with denominator 2, we get 7 upon 6. Now, converting 7 upon 6 into mixed fraction, we get 1 integer 1 upon 6. Therefore, 7 upon 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1 integer 1 upon 6. Now, let us solve sum number 5. 3 integer 1 upon 2 divided by 4. First, converting mixed fraction 3 integer 1 upon 2 into improper fraction and whole number 4 into fraction. We get 7 upon 2 divided by 4 upon 1. Now, multiplying first fraction 7 upon 2 by the reciprocal of second fraction 4 upon 1, we get 7 upon 2 multiplied by 1 upon 4. Now, multiplying 7 with 1 and 2 with 4, we get 7 upon 8. Therefore, 3 integer 1 upon 2 divided by 4 is 7 upon 8. Students, solve remaining sums by yourself. Now, let us solve question number 4. Find. Students, in this question, we have to divide a fraction by a fraction. Students, in order to divide a fraction by a fraction, we have to multiply the first fraction, that is dividend, by the reciprocal of the second fraction, that is divisor. So, let us solve question number 4. Sum number 1, 2 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 2. Multiplying 2 upon 5 by the reciprocal of 1 upon 2, we get 2 upon 5 into 2 upon 1. Now, multiplying numerator 2 with numerator 2 and denominator 5 with denominator 1, we get 4 upon 5. So, 2 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 2 is 4 upon 5. Now, let us solve sum number 7. 3 integer 1 upon 5 divided by 1 integer 2 upon 3. converting 3 integer 1 upon 5 and 1 integer 2 upon 3 into improper fraction. We get 16 upon 5 divided by 5 upon 3. Now multiplying 16 upon 5 by the reciprocal of 5 upon 3, we get 16 upon 5 into 3 upon 5. Now multiplying 16 with 3 and 5 with 5, we get 48 upon 25. Now converting 48 upon 25 into mixed fraction, we get 1 integer 23 upon 25. Therefore, 3 integer 1 upon 5 divided by 1 integer 2 upon 3 is 1 integer 23 upon 25. Student, solve remaining sum by yourself. Thank you and have a good day.